If you're seeing the message, an error occurred, phone code expired in Telegram, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve it step by step so you can log back into Telegram without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, understand what this error usually means. Telegram sends a login code that is time sensitive, so if the code takes too long, expires, or your device clock is out of sync, the login process can fail. Sometimes the issue is not Telegram itself, but the way the code is being delivered or verified. The first thing to try is to look for the login code inside an active Telegram app on your phone or tablet instead of waiting for an SMS. This is one of the most common fixes because Telegram often sends the code directly to another device where your account is already signed in. So if you still have Telegram open on your phone, tablet, or another logged in device, check there first. Open the app, look for the message with the verification code, and use that code immediately on your PC. This method is often faster and more reliable than SMS, especially if your mobile network is delayed. If you don't see the code right away, make sure the device is connected to the internet and that Telegram is actually signed in on it. Sometimes people wait for a text message, but Telegram has already delivered the code inside the app. So, before requesting another code, always check your active session devices. Next, if the code still expires or the login keeps failing, check your PC's date, time, and time zone. This is a very important step because a desynced system clock can invalidate time-sensitive tokens. On Windows, go to your date and time settings and turn on automatic time zone, and sync your clock if that option is available. On Mac, open system settings and make sure date and time are set automatically as well. Even a small time mismatch can cause login verification to fail, so this step is worth doing carefully. After updating the time settings, close Telegram on your PC completely and open it again. Then try logging in once more. If you're using a browser or desktop app, refreshing the session after correcting the clock often makes a big difference. Now, if you want to skip the SMS and code process entirely, use QR code login. This is usually the cleanest and easiest method. On your PC, select the option that says Log in by QR code. Telegram will generate a QR code on the screen. Then open the official Telegram app on your phone, go to Settings or the Login option, depending on your version, and scan the QR code with your phone camera inside Telegram. Once you approve it on your phone, your PC should log in instantly. QR code login is especially helpful if SMS codes are delayed, expired, or not arriving at all. It also avoids typing mistakes and cuts down on verification errors. Just make sure you are using the official Telegram app on your phone, not a third-party scanner or unofficial client. If the QR code does not work the first time, generate a fresh one on the PC and try again. Also, keep your phone connected to the internet during the scan because Telegram needs to confirm the session in real time. So to recap, if you get the phone code expired error, first check the code inside an already logged in Telegram device, then make sure your PC clock is set to automatic. And finally use QR code login to bypass the code issue completely. These 3 steps solve the problem for most users. If this tutorial helped you fix Telegram, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful app and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.